When you sleep on your back, gravity pulls your tongue and soft tissues backward, narrowing your airway and causing them to vibrate. That's what creates snoring. This obstruction forces air through a tighter space, making the tissues flutter more and producing louder snoring sounds. Sleeping on your side lets gravity keep your tongue and tissues forward, opening the airway wider and allowing air to flow smoothly without vibration. Combining side sleeping with slight head elevation further reduces tissue collapse, dramatically cutting snoring for quieter, better sleep.